Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error SSL protocol error in your web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for Internet Options. Best match should come back with Internet Options. Go ahead and select that. Now you want to select the Content tab. You want to select Clear SSL State and then select OK. And now you want to select the Advanced tab. Scroll down near the bottom where it says Use SSL 3.0. You want to select all the SSL and TSL options in here. So SSL 3.0, TLS 1.0, and 1.1. So generally, there's a reason they turn these off just for security protocols. However, there are instances in certain applications and hardware you may need to actually have these turned on. There are ways around it. However, if you're just kind of doing a quick solution here and you actually need to have these turned on, just try and toggle these in the on position and then just select apply and OK and see if that does resolve the issue. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.